Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI reader. Today I'm gonna read the most salient paragraphs in artificial intelligence news that catch my attention in these 2 first weeks of 2020. Here's when we discovered the real value added potential from using artificial intelligence for mammography, providing immediate feedback in the screening setting. When a woman comes in for a mammogram, she usually leaves without having the film read. Instead, she receives the result a few days later, possibly including a request for additional screening. That may happen days or even weeks afterwards. However, if a woman receives what is currently designated a diagnostic mammogram, any additional images are taken on the same day of the initial mammogram and she leaves the imaging center with her result. Teresa Brown is a member of the clinical faculty at the University of Pittsburgh School of Nursing. She wrote for CNN. So far, few institutional innovations have been suggested to translate the responsibility that large tech companies have to serve the interests of society at large by leveraging the potential of artificial intelligence into legal commitments which apply to companies positioned to reap large financial gains from the development and use of AI. This paper, the Windfall clause distributing the benefits of AI for the common good, offers one potential attractive tool for addressing such issues. The Windfall clause, indeed, which is an ex-ante commitment by AI firms to donate a significant amount of any eventual extremely large profits. By this, researchers mean an early commitment that profits that a firm could not earn without achieving fundamental economically transformative breakthroughs in AI capabilities will be donated to benefit humanity broadly, with particular attention towards mitigating any downsides from deployment of windfall generating AI. This paper has recently published on the archive preprint server. AI is key to geopolitics, global development. AI is expected to contribute about $16 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Rikita Gunnar, IBM's Vice President of Data, AI Expert Services and Learning, said Monday at CES, report the Wall Street Journal reported. Hence, corporations, the most powerful governments and developing nations alike are racing to capture AI's potential. Mrs. Gunnar said an IBM study commissioned in October found usage is more mainstream than people thought. Around 37% of organizations have adopted artificial intelligence. That's quite dramatic if you look forward the next 18 to 24 months. That's probably going to change to 80% to 90% adoption of artificial intelligence across the board. How to spot deepfakes. The subject in a deepfake could have different sized eyes or ill-formed teeth, or more than 2 eyes, along with general inconsistencies in the background of the video. Another indication could be if the audio is not synced with the video or images, reports USA Today, European version. The inventor is Daibos AI and the owner would be Thaler. It sounds simple enough, except that patent law has very specific ways of assigning ownership. The inventor must be either the employee or the contractor of the patent company. A more fundamental problem is that we're nowhere near general artificial intelligence, so few people will believe that the AI is truly the inventor. It's far more common for businesses to talk about computer-assisted innovation. We're talking about intellectual property and artificial intelligence here. Plus, being an inventor comes with certain responsibilities. If humans can't be listed as inventors because they weren't intimately involved, and the AI can't be listed as an inventor either, then the invention may not be patentable at all. This suggests Ryan Abbott, a lawyer involved in the original patent filing, could be problematic. It could prevent companies from investing money in artificial intelligence technologies and prevent breakthroughs in important areas like drug discovery. While there may not be much social good to be gained by giving rights to an AI, he says there is good to be gained by changing intellectual property law to acknowledge this contribution. This was an article from the MIT Technology Review. Smile with your eyes is one of the tips offered by a South Korean career consultant who is helping people learn how to pass so-called artificial intelligence hiring exams. To beat the bots, consultancies are selling lessons which run for up 100,000 won, approximately $86.26 for a 3-hour session, reports Reuters. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye.